I guess you were looking for Dedechi Abenkwan banga soup, pamna soup, and you came across my video. Do you know what? You made the right choice, because this, oh my goodness, was very simple, but yet very delicious, and my darling husband fell in love with it. If today is the first time here, this is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen where we prepare easy recipes. Let's get started. I have my fufu flour, which I mixed with water. I'll just go ahead and then give this a stir until we get a dough. So whilst that is on fire, in another bowl I have my palm cream. Now if you go to any market or any African shop and you ask for palm cream, they are going to give it to you. Okay, you can as well get your palm fruit, that is also okay. Now after getting that, I place the rest here, and then I'm just going to put it in my freezer. You don't have to leave the rest in the can and then put it in your fridge or freezer. Okay, it does not speak well of you. That is just by the way, and it is not good to do that as well. I've added some water to it. I'll mix it very well, and after that I will just leave this so that any particles there can stay or settle, and then we can discard that. If you've seen the palm fruit before, you know the particles I'm talking about. It is very black, okay, but I will show it to you whilst we are in the process. Now this is the consistency I want. On the other hand, I have my mackerel, which is known as salmon in Ghana. I'm just going to put this in the oven, and then we can continue. Whilst that is in the oven, I have with me here my crab. I have snail, goat meat, cow feet, pepper, onion, tomatoes, goat seasoning, my homemade natural herbs and spice blend, and the other spice or vegetable blend I made at home. I'll be showing it to you. Okay, I brought the video to you earlier, and please, I will leave the link in the comment section. This is what I'm talking about. I will leave the link in the description box. Please check it out for me. Now I will just go ahead and go and blend my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and then pour everything on the ingredients I mentioned to you earlier, and then add small water, allow it to be on fire, and after that I will be with you. Okay, thank you so much. Now that is on a very lower heat, okay, because we don't want the thing to burn. Yes, now I am just going to open this to show you how it looks now. Everything looks so good and delicious already. This is what we are going to do. The palm cream and the water that we mixed earlier, I am just going to pour this on the ingredients I mentioned to you earlier. So you make sure when you are pouring it, you should be very careful so that you don't pour everything. As I told you earlier, we wanted the particles to settle. Okay, yes. Now we are going to leave this on fire, but I will add some water to it because we don't want it very thick. But if you want it thick, you just go by it. Okay, do it the way you want, but this is how I do mine, and if you try it, you will love it. Okay, so we are going to leave it on fire, and then we will concentrate on our fufu. Thank you so much for your time, my returning subscribers and followers, for always watching my videos. I don't take it for granted. I am very, very grateful. Now this is how the fufu is looking, okay, and as you can see, it has formed a dough. And when your fufu is ready, if it is plantain fufu you are preparing, you have to get that yellowish color. Then it means it is ready. If you are using cocoyam, you have to get the cocoyam color very deep, then it means it is ready. So as you can see, it is very yellowish. So our fufu is ready, and I am just going to set that aside so that we can continue with the soup. Okay, thank you. Our tomatoes, pepper, and onion are well cooked, so I have blended all of them and then I've added that to the soup. Now the mackerel is also well baked, so we are just going to add some to the soup. Okay, so I added just one, and that is what you are seeing. I'll go ahead and add my mushrooms, add my okra, and at this moment I have lowered the heat because I don't want the place to be messy. Yes, so when I'm preparing food, I start early because I don't want to put pressure on the food, and after that the place will be messy and I have to clean again. I don't want it that way. Now I'm just going to leave this on fire on a very lower heat. Okay, and as you can see, the soup is plentier than the pot, so I have to take time, or I don't have to increase the fire to be very high unless the soup reduces. Okay, so I will leave it on fire, and after some few minutes, this is how our soup is looking, and oh my goodness, it looks so good and so delicious. Just listen to the sound. So delicious. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms, and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. And please, after watching this video, do not forget to follow for more videos. It is free. Okay, and please hit the like button for me and I'll be very grateful, and share this video to others. I'm asking for a lot, but please do it for me and I'll be very happy. Thank you so much for doing it. Now our soup is ready, and as you know, we pair this with fufu the next day, and just look at that. It was so nice. I hope you enjoyed the process, and I hope you've liked this video, you've shared to people. Thank you so much for doing that. Do not forget to take care of yourself, eat healthy, and you can't afford to miss the next upload. Trust me, you will love it. So I come your way next time. See you in the next video. I love you. Bye bye.